In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a 4-fold brochure in Canva. We'll start by setting up the right canvas so your folds land exactly where you want them. Open Canva and choose Create a Design. Then select Custom Size. For a standard 4-panel brochure on letter paper, use landscape dimensions of 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Keeping it landscape is important because your folds will run vertically, creating 4 tall panels across the page. Next, we'll add precise fold guides so every panel is consistent. Go to File, then Settings, and choose Add Guides. In the Custom tab, set the number of columns to 4 and set the gap to 0. Click Add Guides. These guides are non-printing lines that help you place text and images cleanly within each panel, even though the gap is 0. Leave a little breathing room along the guide edges so nothing important gets lost in the fold. A small margin inside each panel line keeps your layout looking professional. Now it's time to design your panels. Think of each panel as its own mini page within the single canvas. Add your text, images, logos, and brand elements, but keep them contained between the guides. Resize background shapes and photos so they fit a single panel without spilling into the next. Unless you intentionally want an image to span across panels for a wraparound effect. Plan which panel will be your front cover and which will be the back and inside sections, so your story flows logically once it's folded. Use consistent fonts, sizes, and spacing across panels. And align headings and body text to the guides for a crisp, uniform look. As you place content, zoom in to make sure edges line up cleanly and that nothing important sits too close to a fold line. Because a brochure has 2 sides, add your interior by clicking plus Add Page. You'll see the same dimensions and you can repeat the guide process if needed. Lay out the inside panels so they align with the first page's panel positions. Keep margins and spacing consistent and mirror any design motifs so the inside looks cohesive with the outside. Double-check that elements that should meet at folds align on both pages. When you are ready to export, click Share. Then Download. Choose PDF print for the highest quality. If you are sending this to a professional printer, include crop marks if necessary as they help with accurate trimming. Save your file, and you are done. Thanks for watching.